4 pillars towards a CO2-neutral port. Pillar 1. Efficiency and infrastructure. By increasing industry efficiency, CO2 emissions drop. The industry often works with high temperatures. These processes emit warmth and CO2. With this warmth, we can heat homes, greenhouses and offices. We capture CO2 and store it under the North Sea. And companies exchange energy. With the aid of a steam network and a hydrogen network. The industry is using more and more green electricity generated by wind farms at sea. In coming years, all these developments will require a lot of extra infrastructure, such as cables and pipelines. More efficiency and extra infrastructure are the first pillar of the energy transition.